So we are discussing the topic is fats and oils. These are comes under the category of lipids. A lipid is a macro biomolecule. So like steroids, cholesterol, fatty acids comes under the lipid. The lipids are non-polar molecules, so that's why they are hydrophobic in nature. They are soluble in non-polar solvents like chloroform, benzene. These are insoluble in polar solvent such as water. The density of the lipids is less than the water. They are isolated from the other biological molecules by extracting them with non-polar solvents. The classification of lipids. The lipids are classified into three types. One is simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Simple lipids, these are made up of fatty acids and alcohol. Simple lipids, it is a made up of fatty acid and alcohol. The compound lipid, it is formed from the simple lipid along with the lipid part, they are having the non-lipid part. That's why we are calling it as compound lipid. Derived lipids, the derived lipids that formed by the hydrolysis of simple lipids and compound lipids. The simple lipids examples are fats and oils. Examples simple fats are next one is mixed fats and waxes. These are comes under the simple lipids. Compound lipids, phospholipids, glycolipids, sulfolipids. In these phospholipids, along with the lipid part, the phosphate part is the non-lipid part should be present. Examples are lecithin, cephalin, plasmalogen, sphingomyelin. Glycolipids, along with the simple lipid part, it is having a glycon part. Examples are cerebrosides and gangliosides. Derived lipids, alcohols, fatty acids, sterols, isoprenoids. Here, what is the nature of the different lipids? The fatty acids, they are only the family of carboxylic acids, and waxes, they are having the combination of fatty acid with alcohol. Triglycerides, which are also called as fats and oils. So it is made up of three fatty acids and one glycerol molecule. Phospholipids and glycolipids, two fatty acids plus glycerol, either phosphate part or glycon part will be present. Steroids, derivative of the cholesterol. Eicosanoids, these are the derivative of the fatty acids such as arachidonic acid and different type of membranes like plasma membrane. It is formed from the phospholipids and glycolipids. Our topic is fats and oils. So as the fats and oils, the fats are also called as triglycerides. So the dihydric alcohol glycerol is react with the three fatty acids to form a ester. So that's why we are calling it as carboxylic ester or triglycerides. The fats and oils, they are the triglycerides. The difference between fats and oils are fats are solid at room temperature, oils are liquid at room temperature. The properties of fats are they are insoluble in water, soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, benzene, carbon tetrachloride. They are good solvent for other fatty acids. The melting point of fats and oils are very low. The density of fats and oils are very low compared to the water. So they are floating on the water uniformly. The surface of the water, they are forming as a uniform layer. So the functions of fatty acids, they are act as a food reservoir for the human body. There is a good insulator for the loss of body heat. They are also protecting the internal organs. So this is the introduction of lipids, fats and oils.